I'm a real DIYer now.
They're so cute.
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Home Network's DIY Studio. I'm Mactar Mbaye, and today I have DIY and lifestyle expert Maca Atencio with me, and we're here to talk about one of our favorite rooms in the house, the kitchen.
So I agree. The kitchen is actually the heart of the home. And for my family is where we gather, where we share our day. We also craft a lot of DIY projects. And I love that KitchenAid Major Appliances lets you personalize your kitchen the same way you personalize your home. It's in the little details.
I could not agree more. I'm from a big family, and the kitchen was where everybody always ended up.
Which brings me to a very meaningful DIY project that I would love to share with you, so you can do it with your whole family.
Where do we start?
Yeah, so we're gonna do some personalized name settings. The first step, you need to find an object that represents the family member. And I found these beautiful gold animals that I absolutely love. I'm gonna be the wolf.
Okay.
And I've got the lion.
I knew it.
Yes? Okay. So you're gonna have a piece of paper, and you're gonna write your name on it. We're gonna grab a beautiful velvet ribbon, thread this over the paper. And the beauty of these velvet ribbons is that they elevate everything. They are available in every single color. You can even match it with your kitchen, right? It's so cute. To give it some weight, I have these beautiful painted rocks, or natural, depending on your style.
I like that one.
We're gonna just glue it.
I'm a real DIYer now.
Yeah, you are. Okay, are you ready?
This is fire.
So cute.
And now everybody have their own special place at the kitchen table.
There you go. Because the kitchen is so much more than just cooking. It's where we gather, we celebrate, and we have fun together. And I love that KitchenAid Major Appliances brings the same sense of personalization into the space. From these juniper appliances to the bronze hardware and all the color and hardware accessory options across their whole appliance lineup.
It really makes you feel like the kitchen is an extension of your home instead of just a place where you cook. Thank you for being with us, Maca.
Thank you.
And thank you for watching DIY Studio. See you next time. Presented in part by KitchenAid Major Appliances, designed to be personalized.